And we have Rachel just cleared PMP exam yesterday, and it was her first attempt. And the way she cleared it, it takes my heart. It really takes my heart. Rachel, you are an amazing person. And just before moving into detail, she's a mother, she cooks her food, and she's a very high profile professional, and she's always busy. Apart from the life hurdles, all those things, she was working consistently to get her PMP. And now we had a date, like we have to do PMP, otherwise for next 3 weeks it would not be possible for her to take the exam. So she could only take the exam maybe after a month, and then everything would be lost. So we took a pledge, and in last 4 days she, I think, haven't done anything. She haven't done anything. Mocks, more mocks. When she was down, I said, do more. She said, no, I'm distracted. I said, okay, take a break, take a shower, then do more. So let's hear her journey. Detailed, Rachel, if you would like, her journey, how you did it, Rachel. Please go ahead.
I would like to say that all the credit goes to you, Mr. Amir. You were the one that pushed me and kept, WhatsApping me and like asking for my updates. I'm like, oh no, I have to like do it. And there's a lot of days that I just wanted to tap out, didn't want to do it. I just want to be like, you know what? I'll just lose that whole $500 I paid for the test and don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. But you kept on pushing, and that's what I needed. And I want to thank you for all that. So
Sure. So that was my job, to make sure that you cleared your exam in the minimum possible time. Okay, Rachel, let's talk about your preparation. So you were, when you came to me, we talked about agile. So my videos on agile, were they enough for you? My data on agile, were that enough for you?
the videos, oh yeah, like ever since we connected, I didn't even look at the book. I didn't open up a book. I just watched all your videos, your notes, your slide decks, and then just the mocks from Prepcast.
Do you even have a book? I never asked actually.
Yeah, I have the Pinbock, I have the Rita Mel, whatever it's called, the newest edition. I even got like a PMP Andy Crow from Amazon when I returned it because I was renting it.
Okay, okay.
I didn't even look. I didn't even read through it. I just watched all your videos and all those mock exam questions that you kept on pushing me to do, and I dreaded it a lot.
So that is a great thing. Like now you can return your book, or maybe you can donate those books to someone else. But yeah, let's talk. We know about your preparation. So it's almost a month in which we connected and we got through it. So Rich, why don't let's talk about exam. So exam, how much exam was agile, predictive? So how would you scale your exam?
I would say more than half of the questions were agile, and not I don't recall a lot of the inputs and outputs, some tools and techniques, but not as much. It's mostly agile. And the formulas, no formulas. I don't remember
No,
calculating or
no
using.
critical path. So
No.
when you said I'm getting wrong questions in math, what was my answer? Leave them. We don't we
just
don't need.
just check it and then just go to the next.
Just go to the next. Just go to the next. We don't need them. So that formula is working. That's a good thing. Okay, Rich. What about the things like how long those questions were? 2 line, 3 line. How long those questions were?
Majority of them were shorter. Just because I was actually focused, I was paying attention. Whereas that
Finally,
the
finally, you are focused. Like, ladies and gentlemen, I want to add here. I even today put a status on my social media praising all these moms. Rachel, you are fourth mom straight. First Mojde, then Ishta, then you, then another student. all moms clear the exam. And say, today we were recording the journey of Ishta. She had the same issue. Then Mojli had the same issue. Like while at home, can't focus because of children, because of dog, because of husbands. We are sorry, because of all these things, you are not able to focus. But in the exam, you had that ability to focus more, and that basically put you in the more advantageous thing. Okay, so questions were like of a more a shorter length. How was the difficulty level of the questions?
I thought they were a lot easier than the prep cast.
You know why? I have been thinking this statement because you did so many questions.
Oh, no, but the choices, the multiple choice questions, it was you can tell three of them were obviously wrong, and then the last one was obviously right. So it wasn't that hard. Whereas on the prep cast, it's like two that's kind of similar.
Okay, okay. So that's a good thing that we get it in this way.
Oh, you're on mute.
How many questions were on hybrid type? The hybrid type question.
Ooh, there was a lot. I think I combined the agile and the hybrid together. That was a lot of questions with both. You're
So
on mute.
hybrid question, no, I know that. I am getting echoing, that's why I mute yourself. So, so basically, hybrid question, how did you solve the hybrid question? Now I am getting this data, how to solve hybrid question in the real exam. How to
Can you
solve, how to solve hybrid question in the real exam.
how was I able to
Yeah, how
solve it?
hybrid
I just
question.
I was every time I saw hybrid, I always thought of agile.
Good, well done,
Agile.
well done. You already know predictive, then you move with the agile and you see how you can make a bridge between them. Is it that?
Yeah, yeah. I just as soon as I thought of hybrid, I think of, a mixture of, mixture of predictive and adaptive, but it leaned more towards agile,
Okay,
more.
okay, okay. Rich, we did a lot of topic-wise question, like stakeholder communication resource. So in the exam, which was the most dominant area?
Um, sorry, I got distracted. Sorry.
No issue, no issue.
What is it? I would think it was a mixture. It was a mixture.
Okay, it's a mixture of those things. Okay, okay. I understand that. Okay, so if we put it in this way, we didn't have any critical path question. Any SPI, CPI question?
I'm sorry, what question?
SPI and CPI questions.
No,
No SPI, no CPI, no critical path questions. Okay,
no.
so questions were mostly 1 to 2 lines, right?
1 to 2 lines, and there were a couple of like, drag and drop.
What the easy drags and drop?
That was kind of confusing. I had to reread it, then I had to like focus and try to remember the topic.
What about
But
those questions that have multiple options? What about them?
that was a lot easier. I thought it was much easier because I was just like, are these real exam questions? I kept on like, I was just,
Okay.
it's like, even though a skim, I was reading it thoroughly and I'm like, I had to read it again because I'm like, this is so obvious. The answers are obvious. So I,
What about, is there any fill in the blanks in the exam?
there's no, not a fill in the blank, but they'll say like, out of, they'll project the diagram. They're like, out of A, B, C, or D, which one do you think? And you have to write the letter from the
Ah, okay,
diagram.
okay, okay. Okay, Rich. So you gave us a lot of idea about that and you took 2 breaks.
I did.
Okay. And how much time were left at the end of the exam?
I had like 12 minutes left.
12 months left. So we managed it properly. So you were afraid I would run out. I told you, you cannot run out of time. Your English speed is okay. You don't need to look at the time clock. So, ladies and gentlemen, I actually asked her to hide her time. She don't need to look at that time as time is okay, the time is no tension, just need to be focused. And she did focus and she cleared the exam. So did you try that deep breathing exercise during the
Oh
break?
yeah.
During the
Yep, I did it like you said, and I did it. I even did it before I met with you, before I went to the
okay, okay.
place. But I did it each time, and when I couldn't think of the answer, I was just like I just kind of turn away, do some breathing, and then come back and just refocus.
Okay, okay. So, Rich, you have given us a lot of information, and we know we can always come back to you if audience have more question. But I always ask of all my aspirant, if you can give one advice to all PMP aspirant, what would be that advice?
Call you.
Thank you, Rich. It was awesome. Now I would say that it is the best compliment I have ever received. Thank you, Rich. Thank you very much, and enjoy now your time. And I hope you best of luck for your future endeavors. And now you can get those promotions and all those things for which the PMP was pending. And you always have my number, so you can always contact me. And always, just I would like to put in the context, when Rachel came to me, actually she didn't use WhatsApp. She preferred email. So I have to take her to the WhatsApp also. So now that's, you can use all the time. You are in our group and you can always talk to us, reach us. Thank you, Rachel, and best of luck for the future as well.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Anand just cleared PMP like 10 minutes ago. Ali have cleared PMP with above target. Congratulations, Raheel, on clearing your PMP in first attempt. You cleared PMP exam with 5 above target. The best thing that anyone can do. 5 above target. Ladies and gentlemen, second student in 3 days, 5 above target.
I didn't expect it that I will get this result. I thought that I will be like target or like above target.
Thanks to you. Without your dedication and guidance, it was impossible for me.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is
We can
clear to you.
above target, above target, above target, above target. Do I have to read film book? Do I have said no, no? Like whenever he heard like this guy have read 5 times film book so many times, he always get confused and come back to me. I kept on saying him, you are going to clear, just read 1 time, and that's what he did.